name is Sidra. I am from Birmingham. I'm a mom of four. I came across Hijama by Ammar last year, and my first session I had with a sister, and I just fell in love with it. I went home and I said to my husband, I need to do this because I'm into organic things and healing and even cleaning products and stuff like that. So I try to stay away from chemicals, and I am not the one who goes to doctors, so I try to do herbal things. And I thought, wow, this is amazing. I never knew about it before, and then I looked into it. It's sunnah, and that was the highest point for me. And I thought to myself that I've been wanting to do something. I have 4 children, and my youngest is going to go inshallah to full time, and I always said to my husband that I want to do something after the kids are in school, and I want to make use of that free time. And I thought, Hijama, this will be the best thing for me inshallah, because to be, and I've noticed already that I've just started this course not so long ago, but it's bringing me closer to my deen as well, because you are into this, the more you look into the ahadits, and then you want to be that perfect person to be doing all of this, because you want to perfect yourself in your deen first, and then to go out and help people. So that is the drive for me, and inshallah I have lots of plans. If Allah wills, I will fulfill them, and hopefully I'll go far inshallah.